Hey everybody, it's me again, the Glades Garden Girl over here in Zone 10A, Florida. I recently uploaded a video of a garden tour, and I promised you guys that I will be bringing you some updates on what I will be doing in my garden. So today I was cleaning up, I was transplanting, watering, just doing a little bit of everything in the garden as per usual. And in the video I did state also that I wanted to move this lemon plant because we are going to do a project in the backyard, and I believe that this lemon plant is going to be in the way of what we are planning on doing. And that is also one of the reasons why I'm trying to plant most of my things in buckets, apart from the fact that chickens have been scratching everything out. So I recently started this compost bin. I think it's a few days ago, and I wanted to see how the compost would have broken down in this bin, but unfortunately I am not going to see it because I will be taking out this lemon plant and putting it in this bin right here. I am scared because I started this lemon plant from seed. I actually started two of them. This is the bigger of both. Let me just show you what the other one looks like. So here is the other one, guys. It is really unbelievable that two seeds were planted at the same time and one is almost 10 times bigger than the other one. But this one, I think this is going to be its permanent location, and I am just gonna take out the other one and put it in the bin as I said. Okay, so since I do not have a videographer, I am going to take this plant out, put it in the bin, and you guys will be seeing what it looks like when it's completed. And also, before I do that, I will be adding bone meal and blood meal in the bin. I always love to use those two components whenever I am transplanting anything or starting seeds. So I will be right back, guys, after I transplant this beautiful lemon plant. Oh my God. Keep your fingers crossed with me, guys, that this plant will continue to grow and bear some fruit in the future, hopefully this year. I don't know how long our lemon plant actually takes to produce fruits, but I am hoping it is actually this year. All right, I will be right back, guys. All right, guys, so it wasn't hard at all to get this plant out because it wasn't very deep down into the ground. So what I am going to do now is to throw some potting soil in here, water it in, and just leave the rest to Mother Nature and God. All right, so I will be right back when it is completed. All right, guys, here it is, still looking beautiful, and I hope and pray that it remains this way. So I am going to water it now. I am going to get some leaves to put on top of this soil, and then I'm going to get about 4 black pots that I want to plant some other stuff in. As a matter of fact, I think I have about 4 black pots with some tomato plants in them. I will be moving them in this area to put them in on top of the soil here to keep it moist throughout the course of the day. All right, guys, there we have it. My lemon plant is successfully transplanted. I think I might cut it in the top because I don't want it to get too tall, even though there is a lot of new growth on it right now. Let me see. There's a lot of new growth on it right now, guys. A lot of new growth. So I am just hoping that it will remain this beautiful and grow and produce some lemons for me. I'm going to take these leaves off. I don't like the way how they look, so I do not want the plant to waste its energy trying to fix those leaves, so I'm going to take them off. And as per usual, guys, thank you so much again for joining me in the prayer garden, and I will see you soon with another project that I will be working on. All right, so have a blessed day. Keep on growing and keep on glowing. Bye bye.